Have we got a treat today? What about deli roast beef? The rare kind. Can you believe that we can make it at home? I'm going to make some in my Instapot. So if that is of interest to you, come join me and let's get cooking. Well, today is Christmas 2021, and I'm getting ready to cook this roast. And I'm going to do it that deli rare roast beef thing like I did sometime before. And I had done it like I'm going to sear all the sides. And then before I had cooked it like 2 minutes and then let it rest, or, do the natural release for about 35 minutes. But this time I'm going to cook it 4 minutes. That was my note saying need to try that next time. Well, anyway, I had bought this roast, and I ended up, I took the, I marinated it. I'm trying to get it, okay. It says here I marinated in Lipton, that Lipton soup, probably the Beefy onion or something like that. And this is let me see, what is it? Got it at Sam's. Round roast. Okay. So, and it's about, what, 3.5 pounds, something like that? Yeah, 3.5 pounds. And anyway, we're gonna give it a try. I got my pressure cooker going, Instapot. Got some oil in there heating up, so I'm gonna sear it first, and then we're gonna cook it 4 minutes, and then let it rest for 35 before taking the lid off. So here we go. All right, it's starting its little sear process, so we'll see how that goes. This is side one. Whew, steam. Okay, gone through the motion of searing it on all the sides, and then I decided to throw a little red wine on it. So I've poured some wine in there. I think that never hurt anybody. So now we're getting ready to put the lid on it, and I'm going to cook it for 4 minutes and then let it rest for 35. So here we go. Okay, here's my little roast, and we're getting ready to take my electric knife and slice into it. I actually cooked it 4 minutes on high pressure, let it rest for 35 minutes before opening up the Instapot, and it didn't come up to the temperature I wanted. It was only at 104, so I put it back in, did another 2 minutes high pressure, and then immediately did a quick release, and it came up to, I think, 120. So that was what I was looking for. So now we're getting ready to cut it up and see what happens. Okay, so John decided he was going to take over. And
no. You told me to take over.
I asked him to take over so I could film it. And boy, does this look wonderful. And we're hoping this is going to be really yummy. I'm anxious to taste it.